Standard 9 Geometry, Chapter number 9, Surface Area and Volume. Children, we have already learned how to find the surface area and volume of a cuboid, cube and cylinder in class 8. Okay, so just recall the formulas for each of them. First one is a cuboid. This is the shape of a cuboid. Okay, the formula for area of vertical surfaces is 2 bracket length plus breadth into height. Okay, then next, total surface area of a cuboid is 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. And the last, volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. So these three formulas, you should learn them. Okay. Then next, cube. For a cube, if L is the length of the, okay, which is a length of a cube. So now, if L is length of the cube, then the total surface area of a cube is 6L square, area of vertical faces is 4L square and volume of a cube is L cube. So these three formulas also you should learn them. Okay. And the last one is cylinder. Now we know a cylinder has a radius, okay, and this is called as a height. Okay, it consists of a radius and a height. So now curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. That is the formula for curved surface area. This is a curved surface area, right? The cylinder, if you have seen, it is curved in shape. Then total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. 2 pi r bracket r plus h. And the last one is volume of a cylinder. So the formula for volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So all the three formulas, okay, the formulas of all these three, you should learn them thoroughly. Now let us see how to solve the sum based on these three concepts. So let's begin with practice set 9.1. First question. Length, breadth and height of a cuboid shaped box of medicine is 20 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay. So what they have given us? They have given us the length, breadth and height. So this is a length, 12 is a breadth and 10 is a height. Okay. Of a cuboid shapes. Okay. Cuboid shape that is given to us. That is, it is a cuboid shape, means it is a cuboid. So now the length, breadth and height of a cuboid is given to us. Find the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area. So we have to find the vertical surface area as well as the total surface area. So first we begin. First find the vertical surface area of a box, which is equals to, what is the formula for vertical surface area we have seen? It is 2 bracket length plus breadth multiply by height. So that is 2 bracket length is 20, breadth is 12 and height is 10. So 2 multiply by 20 plus 12, which is 32, multiply by 10. So now you multiply these 3, you get the answer as 640 centimeters square. Now why square? Because there is a word area. So whenever there is a word area, we have to find area. That means there should be a square in the unit. If it is meter, then it is meter square. If it is centimeter, it is centimeter square. Then next, also that along with that, we have to find the total surface area of the box. So the formula to find the total surface area of a box is 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, right? Which is equals to 2 bracket. Length is 20, breadth is 12. So 20 into 12 plus breadth is 12, height is 10, 12 into 10. Okay, plus height is 20, length is 10. Length is 20, height is 10. So 20 into 10. Okay, it is multiplication. So no matter, even if you write 20 first and 10 later, it is in multiplication form. So now first you multiply 20 into 12, 240 plus 12 into 10, 120, plus 20 into 10, 200. Okay, so 240 plus 120 plus 200, that is 2 multiplied by, you add all this 3, so that is 560. So 2 multiplied by 560, which is equals to 1120 centimeter square. So you got the answer as 1120 centimeter square. Okay, then next, second question. Total surface area of a box of a cuboid shape is 500 square centimeter. So now here the total surface area of a cuboid shaped box is given to us. Okay, so we are going to use the formula of total surface area of a cuboid. Okay, if its breadth and height is 6 unit and 5 unit respectively, what is the length of the box? So the breadth is given and the height is given, and we have to find the length. So we use the formula, that is total surface area of a cuboid is 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So that is equals, so that means now the total surface area is given as 500 square centimeter, right? Square unit. So in place of surface area, I write the value of surface area, that is 500, which is equals to 2 bracket length will be length itself, breadth is 6 plus breadth is 6, height is 5 plus length is as it is, multiply by 5. Now this 2 I shift on this side. So that becomes 500 upon 2, which is equals to 6 into L is 6L plus 6 5s are 30 plus 5 into L is 5L. So now 6 and 5 both have L and L as a common term. So they are like terms. So I add 6 plus 5, 11L plus 30, and this 500 upon 2 is 250. So 250 is equals to 11L plus 30. Now this 30 shift on other side. So when you shift 30 on other side, it becomes subtraction because there it is addition. So change in sign becomes minus. 250 minus 30 is equals to 11. So that is 220 is equals to 11. Therefore, L is equals to this 11 shift on other side. That is 220 upon 11. So L is equals to 20 units. So the length of the box is 20 units. Next, the third sum. Side of a cube is 4.5 centimeter. Now here the side of a cube is given to us as 4.5 centimeter, right? Find the surface area of vertical surfaces and also the total surface area of a cube. So now, first we will find the vertical surface area. The formula is 4L square, that is 4 multiplied by 4.5 into 4.5. Okay, so that is equals to 81 centimeter square. You multiply this 3, you get that as 81 centimeter square. Then we have to find the total surface area. So total surface area is 6L square, that is 6 multiplied by 4.5 multiplied by 4.5. So you multiply them, you get 121.5 centimeter square. Okay, and then next, fourth sum. Total surface area of a cube is 5400 square centimeter. Find the surface area of the vertical faces of a cube. So total surface area is given, and along with that we have to find the vertical surface area. So first we will use the formula of total surface area of a cube, okay, and find the value of L because L is not known. Okay, we have to find the value of L. Once we know L, then we can find the vertical surface area of a cube. Clear? So now first we use the formula, that is 6L square. So therefore 5400 is equals to 6L square. So now this 6 I shift on other side. So here it is multiplication. So when you shift on other side, it becomes division. Therefore 5400 upon 6 is equals to L square. Therefore L square is equals to 900 centimeter. 6 ones are 6 nines are. So that is 900 centimeter. Now find the vertical surface area. So the vertical surface area is 4L square. So what is the value of L square? 900. Okay, so in place of L square I write as 900, which is equal to 3600 centimeter square. Okay, so the vertical surface area is 3600 centimeter square. Next, the fifth sum, volume of a cuboid is 34.50 cubic meter. Okay, what is given to us? The volume is given to us. Volume is what? Volume is 34.50 cubic meter. Breadth and height of a cuboid is 1.5 meter and 1.15 meter respectively. So breadth and height is also given to us. We have to find the length. So volume of a cuboid formula is length into breadth into height. We know volume is 34.5, length is unknown, breadth is 1.5, height is 1.15. So now first thing, I will take out all the decimal points from the numbers. So now here 34.5, so 0.5 means only one digit decimal, so upon 10, 345 upon 10, which is equals to L into 1.5, 1.5 means only one digit upon 10 into 1.15, so 2 digits, so upon 100. Okay, therefore length is equals to, now I shift all the numbers on one side, so this numbers I shift it on that side. So now 15 upon 10, now the numbers in the numerator will go down in the denominator and the denominator terms will go in the numerator. So this 10 and 100 will go in the numerator, 15 and 15 will 15 and 115 will go in the denominator. Okay, so now 345 into 10 into 100 upon 10 into 15 into 115, because 10 is already here. So now cancel, 10 and 10 gets cancelled, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 5 zeros are, then 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 115 gets cancelled, 1s are 1s are. So length is 20 centimeter. So we get the length of a cuboid as we get the length as 20 centimeter. The next, sixth sum, what will be the volume of a cube having a length of each 7.5 centimeter? So I have to find the volume of a cube. So the formula for volume of a cube is L cube. So L is already given to us 7.5. So multiplied is 7.5, 7.5, 7.5. You get the answer as 421.875 centimeter cube. Next, seventh sum. Radius of a base of a cylinder is 20 centimeter. So the radius is given and height is 13 centimeter. So first what is given? Radius is given and height is given to us. Find its curved surface area and total surface area where the value of pi is 3.14. So first we find the curved surface area of a cylinder where the radius and height is already given to us. So the formula is 2 pi RH. That is 2 into pi is 3.14 into r is 20 and h is 13. So you multiply all this all the 4 digits, okay, 4 numbers you multiply, 2 into 3.14 into 20 into 13, you get the answer as 1632.8 centimeter square. Then find the total surface area. So the formula to find the total surface area is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. So 2 into pi is 3.14, r is 20, bracket 20 plus 13. Multiply. Okay. Before you multiply, you are going to add the bracket terms. That is 20 plus 13. That is 33. So you multiply 2 into 3.14 into 20 into 33. This is the answer. Fine. Next. Eighth sum. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 1980 centimeters square. Find the radius, its radius is 15 centimeter. Find the height of a cylinder. So the curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h, right? Curved surface area is 1980, which is 2 multiplied by pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 15 into h. Okay. So that is 1980, 7 you multiply by here. Okay, 1980 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22 into 15, which is equals to h. Therefore, h is equals to, now you cancel whatever gets cancelled. Let's see what can we cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18, 2 zeros are 0, right? Then 11 nines are 99, 11 zeros are 0, 11 twos are 22. So that is 19 to 7 upon 30. So 0 0 gets cancelled, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So h is equals to 21 centimeter. Okay. So we get the height as 21 centimeter. So with this we have completed 9.1. For your homework you have to solve problem set 9, question number 2 and question number 5. So for your first assignment test you have to for your second assignment test you have to study exercise 8.2 and exercise 9.1. So these two exercise you have to study, exercise 9.1 and exercise 8.2. Okay, thank you.